Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about how social media can help us in our English learning journey. How social media can help you in your English learning journey. Here I'm going to talk about how you can use social media to get maximum benefit. The second topic is I'm going to talk about different social media platforms which you can use, or rather which can help you in your speaking journey. And I'm also going to tell you how you can strategize and use social media to help you speak English fluently and confidently. I get a lot of questions like if I can help you with an app or an online community or speaking group which you can join so that it will help you in real time practice and help you in speaking English fluently and confidently. Today I'm going to answer all these questions, guys, and this session is really going to benefit you a lot. Stay tuned. On that note, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you want to know more about how you can speak English fluently and confidently, if you want to know more about how to practice English speaking, I have a lot of videos on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and press the notification icon. And probably in my next video, I'll be coming up with some apps which can really help you in your speaking journey. So keep watching and keep exploring with me. Let's get back to the topic. The first thing I'm going to tell you is how social media can help us or help you in your English learning journey. Well, social media has become a very powerful tool nowadays. The first and the most important thing is it's very convenient. You see, whenever we had to study or we need to learn something, we used to go and get enrolled in some classroom programs or some tuition centers or coaching centers or any other labs, right? So we have to go, there's a particular time which we have to go to learn things. But with social media, everything has become very convenient and at our fingertips, right? So everything is in our mobile. We can access the internet, we can access anything on social media, anything and everything on social media to learn, to engage, to enjoy, to entertain ourselves, or to get any information, right? There are lots of things on social media wherein you can get any kind of information you're searching for, right? So the first and the foremost thing is we have to make sure what is really helpful for us. So we need to design our own content there. You should understand first what is your level. What is your level? If you are a beginner or intermediate or advanced, this is very important, guys, because the content you choose will help you in your fluency journey. If you are a beginner and you choose an advanced content or you choose an intermediate content, it's not gonna help you, guys. Trust me on this. So you have to start from the basics. Okay, so you have to choose your content according to your level. And I'm sure you know what level you are in, right? We all know if we are a beginner, if we are an intermediate or an advanced English speaker. So accordingly, we can define our level and then start looking for content which is suitable for us. So we have to choose our content accordingly. And this is really going to help you if you choose your content according to your level. The third point is you should never overwhelm yourself with content. Okay, if you are getting content, it just doesn't mean that, you should just start consuming it. Okay, divide your time, come up with a routine that every day 15-20 minutes you're going to give to listening or reading or writing or practicing. So you have to divide your time, you have to divide or rather come up with a schedule. Okay, so it's not that one single day you just woke up and you start listening to a lot of content and you will start speaking the next day. It never happens that way. So you have to limit yourself. Whatever is beneficial for you, whatever you are able to absorb or you are able to understand. So probably one thing at a time you should listen to, okay, or you should practice. So you have to limit yourself. You have to come up with a schedule that, your practice session, how long will your practice session be? What are you going, how much time you're dedicating to listening, writing, reading, and practicing. So you have to come up with the whole routine, and then accordingly you can start following that. So this is how social media can help you in making your English learning easy, beneficial, and of course fruitful as well. Right? Now coming to the next part of the discussion, which is the platforms, the social media platforms which can help us in speaking English fluently and confidently, or in making our English learning journey easy. First one is YouTube, of course. There are lots of content on YouTube, lots and lots of content on YouTube, guys. There's no shortage of content on YouTube, but you have to choose wisely what content you're watching, what content you are learning from. Okay, you have to see whether it is credible. The channel you're watching or the video you're watching, whether it is credible or not. You have to see that. So first is the credibility, because learning is something which you have to, a credible source is very important for learning anything. So you have to make sure that whatever you're learning from, wherever you're learning from, that source is credible and that source is right. Okay, so that is one thing. Second thing is, the best thing about YouTube is you can listen to things and you can see videos, right? You can watch videos and you can listen to things. So probably your listening skills will improve, and while you're watching a content, you can get hold of a lot of things like the body language, the way it is spoken, the expressions, intonation, a lot of things, right? You can watch and you can understand how your body language should be, how your probably lip and mouth movement should be, or the muscle movement should be, intonation, etc., etc. So you can actively, if you're actively watching, if you actively listen, so you will grasp a lot of things. Okay, so that is why I'm saying that you have to go slow with the content. Don't start watching everything in a single day. Okay, take a pause, take a breath, limit everything, watch one video in a day about learning English, and then accordingly come up with a routine. Okay, YouTube will help you improve in your, there are lots of channels on YouTube which can help you in learning grammar, learning vocabulary, learning pronunciation skills, practice sessions, podcast, conversational English, etc., etc. So there are different things you can learn on YouTube. You just have to search with the right word. Search it, make a playlist for yourself, and start watching these kind of videos which suits you or which will help you to grow in your English fluency journey. Okay, number 2 is Facebook. Now, Facebook is very good for joining online communities and online groups. There are lots of groups and online communities which are there on Facebook. There are lots of pages of Cambridge and Oxford universities also, or other learning or other universities also, which help you to practice English speaking. Okay, go find out, search for it on Facebook. There are lots of pages, there are lots of online communities, there are lots of groups which you can join on Facebook. You can start actually practicing in these groups with people. So do find out, go and search these groups on Facebook, join them and start practicing. So this is how Facebook can help you in your fluency journey. Coming to the third one is Instagram. Instagram has also a lot of short videos and reels probably. They have a lot of short videos and reels on vocabulary, practice sessions, pronunciation, grammar, English tips and tricks. So these are very short videos, short content which you can consume on the go. Okay, so if you join, you can search with hashtags, hashtag learn English, hashtag practice English speaking. So these are the hashtags which you can use to search these groups or these communities on Instagram, and once you can start following them, right? And they have a lot of short content and good content related to all these things related to English, which you can learn on the go, which is helpful for everyday practice. Okay, so go and search for all these things on Instagram. This is also really going to help you a lot in your English fluency journey. The same is the case with TikTok. TikTok has also a lot of content, short content, as we don't have time nowadays. So, when we are traveling, when we are eating, when we are probably taking some rest, so we can just listen to these contents. These are very short, very engaging, very entertaining, and very useful tips and tricks and videos, which is really going to help you to become more fluent and confident in English. Another one is Twitter. What you can do on Twitter is you can start following people. Here also you can join groups or follow groups, and you can retweet. Okay, you can, if you have seen some tweets related to English learning, search for that. Twitter also has a lot of groups related to English learning, so you can just join them or follow them, and you can post your content there. You can retweet, you can reply, you can come up with a hashtag of your own. So you can do a lot of things. These are very interactive social media platforms, right? So Facebook is an interactive social media platform. Instagram is an interactive social media platform. TikTok is another interactive social media platform. Twitter is another interactive social media platform. So for Twitter and Instagram, what you can also do is you can also come up with your own reels, or you can come up with your own post, or you can come up with your own videos also, and you can post it there if you want, just to interact with others and improve your English writing skills and communication skills. The last one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network. Okay, so you can join groups related to your industry, related to your interest, and you can start interacting with people on these platforms. You can search for English learning groups also, English learners also there. I guess you will find some groups or communities there as well. So you can join them, you can share your thoughts about it, you can start posting about your field or what you feel about the industry. So you can just start coming up with your own thoughts and your own content and start posting it, replying to anybody's post, comments, replying to somebody's post, interacting with people. In this way, you will learn how to communicate in a professional environment, right? So you'll learn professional communication as well in this way. So guys, these platforms are really very helpful to become more confident and more fluent in speaking English or learning English. Utilize these social media platforms. These are really going to help you. Trust me on this. Apart from this, you can also come up with your own blog or start reading blogs on these platforms as well. These platforms has a lot of blogs also. LinkedIn has a lot of blogs related to any industry, any field. So you can start reading blogs there, and you can come up with your own blog also. Start writing a blog. Start making a short video of yourself talking about any particular topic, anything which is trending on social media, or any topic which is highly spoken about these days. So you can just pick up those topics and you can start making a short video and put it on your Instagram account or a Twitter account or a TikTok video you can come up with. So you can do n number of things which are very interactive. So once you start using these social media platforms, this is quite interactive. You can interact with these in these platforms. You can join communities, you can speak to them, you can talk to them by a video call or a voice call, or you can chat with them, right? You can come up with your own content and you can start posting and getting reviews on that. So you can do a lot of things. You can interact with using these social media platforms. Start thinking about it. Start utilizing these platforms, guys. This is really going to help you a lot. Trust me on this. The last part of the session is I'm going to tell you how you can utilize. I would suggest come up with an account. I hope everybody has an account on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn and Twitter. So start utilizing these platforms, guys. Come up with your own content, come up with your own thoughts, how you can use these platforms. There are lots of learning involved in these things. It is all, somewhere probably you have to pay some money, but lots of things are free. They are available free for you. Search for it, go for it. If you have to pay some penny also, that's fine. You will learn a lot of things, new things, right? It will help you to become more fluent and confident in speaking in English. So if some platforms charge some money also, that's fine, I guess, right? Or there are lots of free resources also available. Catch hold of that, search for them, join them, follow them, and keep your learnings going. So guys, in my next video, I am surely going to come up with some apps which is really going to help you in your fluency journey. I'm going to tell you how you can use these apps as well and how it will benefit you. So stay tuned for that. See you until next time. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep learning. Bye-bye.